Get ready to experience the future of driving with the 2023 Cupra Born 231D19808. This sleek and stylish electric estate car is packed with incredible features for both comfort and safety. From the luxurious interior with ambient lighting and voice control to the advanced security systems like collision avoidance, braking, and lane departure warning, this car has it all. Plus, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own the 2023 Cupra Born 150k58. Call us today or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.